Alright, checking in. This is Tyson with Open Range Studios. I'm here at Paradise Valley hitting the trails, and today I'm going to give you some audio samples of the Saramonic plug-in microphone on a Galaxy S10 Plus. This is a USB Type-C microphone, plugs right in with no cords, no hassle, nice and easy. So if you're like me and you were looking for a plug-in mic on your phone, this might be your ticket. So first I'll give you some audio samples of just talking directly into the phone, and then I'll plug the mic in and let you hear what that sounds like. Just a heads up, I just downloaded the Filmic Pro app. This is my first time using the app, so bear with me. Okay, so this is what it sounds like with me talking directly into the phone. Check, check. Okay, now this is what it sounds like with the plug-in mic in there. A lot better, right? But in case you're not convinced, I think we need to do the motorboat test. Oh, you motorboating son of a... Okay, so if you're interested in seeing me do more videos like this, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, and if there's any Filmic Pro experienced users out there, please give me some tips because I want to learn this app. It looks fun. All right, till next time.